Okay, we will
start from the first.
We are
We are
starting
starting
here
here problem solving chapter from artificial intelligence, soft
computing.
computing.
In this
In this
lecture, we
lecture,
are
we are
starting the
starting the
problem solving
problem solving agent,
formulating
formulating problem and
example
example
problems.
problems.
After that,
After that, we will see the
uninformed
uninformed
search
methods. In that, we will see these
points.
points.
Then
Then informed search method. In that,
we
we will see the
A
A star search.
Next is
Next is the optimization of problem. In that, we will study these points.
Okay.
Okay.
First is
First
the
is the problem solving agent. Problem solving agent is the goal based agent.
It
It
decides
decides
what to do
by finding sequence of actions
that lead
that
to
lead to
desirable state.
desirable state.
We
We
start
start
by
by
defining
defining
precisely the elements that
constitute
a
a
problem and
problem
its
and its solution
and give
and give
several
several
examples
examples
to
to
illustrate this
illustrate this
definition.
definition.
Here we
Here
have
we
one
have one problem,
and to
and
solve
to
that
solve that problem, we
find
find the
solution,
solution,
or we
or we
find the
find the
number
number
of
of
sequence of actions,
and
and
after
performing
performing that,
we solve
we
that
solve that
particular
particular
problem.
problem.
My voice is
My voice is
audible
audible to you, no?
Yes, miss.
Okay. We then
We then
desire
desire
several
several
general
general
purpose
purpose
search
algorithm
that can be
that can be
used to
used to
solve
solve
these
these
problems
problems
and
and
compare the
compare the
advantages of
advantages
each
of each
algorithm.
algorithm.
The
The
algorithms are
algorithms are
uninformed
uninformed
in the
in the
sense that
sense
they
that they
are
are
given no
given no
information
information
about the
about the
problem
problem
other than
other than
its
its
definition.
definition.
Means
Uninformed
algorithms are such
such
algorithms.
algorithms.
It has
It has
no
no
prior
prior
information
information
about the
about the
problem. Just
problem.
it
Just it
has
has
problem.
problem.
It has
It has
only
only
problem
problem
definition. Means
definition, means
problem
problem
statement.
statement.
Next is the
Next is the
formulating
formulating
problem.
problem.
In
In
general, an
general, an
agent with
agent with
several
several
immediate
immediate
options of
options of
unknown
unknown
value
value
can
can
decide
decide
what to do
what to
by
do by
first
first
examining
examining
different
different
possible
possible
sequence of
sequence of
actions.
actions.
First, it
First, it
examine
examine
possible
possible
sequence of
sequence of
actions
actions
that lead
that
to
lead to
state
state
of
of
known
known
value.
value,
Means
means
goal
goal
value
value
or goal
or
state.
goal state.
Then
Then
choosing the
choosing the
best
best
sequence.
sequence,
Means
means
it
it
decide
decide
it
it
first it
first it
find the
find the
various
various
way to
way
solve
to
it.
solve it.
After that
After that,
it
it
choose the
choose the
best way
best way
to
to
perform
perform
that
that
particular
particular
task
task
or to
or to
reach that
reach that
desirable
desirable
state.
state.
This
This
process of
process of
looking
looking
for
for
such a
such a
sequence is
sequence
called
is
a
called a
search.
search.
Search is
Search
the
is the
process
process
looking for
looking for
action
action
sequence.
sequence.
A
A
search
search
algorithm
algorithm
take a
take a
problem
problem
as an
as an
input
input
and
and
return a
return a
solution
solution
in the
in the
form of
form of
action
action
sequence.
sequence.
Search
Search
algorithm
algorithm
input is
input
what?
is what?
Problem.
Problem.
And it
And it
return the
return the
solution
solution
as an
as a
output.
output.
Once a
Once a
solution is
solution is
found,
found,
the
the
actions it
actions it
recommends
recommends
can be
can
carried
be
out.
carried out.
This is
This
called
is
the
called the
execution
execution
phase.
phase.
Execution phase
Execution phase
means
means
once
once
we got
we
the
got the
solution,
solution,
we
we
perform that
perform that
action
action
sequence.
sequence.
Okay,
Okay,
this
this
means
means
executing that
executing that
action.
action.
Executing phase.
Executing phase.
Okay, is a
Okay,
performing
is a
action
performing action
on a
on a
environment.
environment.
Thus, we
Thus,
have a
we have a
simple
simple
formulate search
formulate search
execute
execute
design for the
design for
agent.
the
We will
agent.
see
We will
in
see in
that in the
that
next
in the
slide.
next slide.
After
After
formulating a goal
formulating a goal
and a
and a
problem to solve,
problem to solve,
the agent
the agent
calls the
calls
search
the search
procedure to
procedure
solve
to
it.
solve it.
Okay,
Okay,
formulating problems
formulating
means
problems means
first to agent
agent
with several
with
immediate
several immediate
options.
options.
It
It
decides what to
decide
do.
what to
Means
do.
it
Means
tries
it
the
tries the
different way
different
to
way
solve
to
the
solve
particular
the
problem.
particular problem.
After that,
After
it
that, it
chooses the
chooses
best
the best
sequence of
sequence
action
of action
and
and
sequence of
sequence of action is what?
search.
Search.
The process
The
of
process
looking
of looking for such
sequence
sequence is called a search.
Then search
Then search
algorithm
algorithm
take a problem,
take a problem
as input,
and
solution
solution will be
output.
its output.
Then
Then
executing the action
sequence
is what
execution
phase.
phase.
Next, the
the
function
function
simple problem
solving agent.
Here
Here
it has
input
that is
that is percept
and it
and
returns
it
the
return
action.
the action.
Then
Input
input
consists
consists
percept
variable.
variable.
It has a
It has a
percept
percept
history.
history. It has a percept.
Then
Then second
static.
static
Static
consists
four variables.
First is
EQ
for sequence
and action
sequence. Initially it is empty.
Next
Next state is the
some
description of a current world state.
Variable
will consist the description of current world state.
Then next
is a goal. Variable consists the goal. Initially it is in null.
Then
next is a problem.
It has the
problem formulation.
My voice
is clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, the
state will
instead we will store the update state.
We are updating state by using the state
and input
means percept.
If
SEQ sequence is empty, means starting at initially
we are
storing sequence in
empty.
There is no prior sequence.
Okay, we
have just problem.
Now if
sequence is empty, then do this. What?
Formulate
the goal
using
the state
and store that
into
into
goal
variable.
variable.
After that,
formulate the problem using
this
updated state and
current
goal
and
set as a problem.
First
what we do,
we check
the sequence is empty. Yes. Then
formulate the
goal.
After that,
formulate the problem. Then
find
the sequence action
by
search
function.
Search.
We are
passing
problem
to search
function.
It will find the sequence of actions
and we are
store that into sequence.
Now
sequence has
sequence
of action.
SEQ
variable has sequence of actions to do.
Now
First
sequence
we are
performing that
sequence
and
remaining sequence we are storing that into
again
that
SEQ.
SEQ.
Now
we are performing first, then remaining we are storing in a sequence
and
retaining the action. We are performing that
one by
one,
which is
the
best one.
We are performing that only.
You understood up to
this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A simple problem solving agent
we are currently
study. It first formulate a goal and a problem. Searches for a sequence of actions that would solve the problem
and then execute the actions one
at
a time.
When
this is complete,
it
formulate another goal
and
start over.
This is what
simple algorithm
or a
simple working for a simple problem solving agent.
Note that when it is executing the sequence, it ignores its percept. It assumes that the solution it has found will always work. Okay. It is a simple agent. So it assumes that the solution we are working is a final solution. Or we are having accurate solution for the particular problem. Next is this problem that is a simplified roadmap of a part of Romania.
Romania is a city.
Okay. Here what problem is agent trying to get to this Bucharest from the Arad. These are the location to this location. Time is of the essence, and so the cost of the path might be its length in kilometers. Here you can see that from this location to this location we have this 151 kilometer. Each age has its cost. This cost is nothing but kilometers distance in kilometer.
Okay.
Our goal is what?
To
To
reach
reach
this
Bucharest
from this
from this
Arad.
Arad.
To reach
To reach this
we are
we are having
startingly if we have
if we have 3 ways. Starting
this
this
up to this
to
Z,
this Z
one way,
up
to
to
this
this
S, second way, and third way,
third way
we
we can
go through
go
this
through
way.
this
That
way.
is
That is up to
this T.
this T.
Okay.
Okay.
So we are
So we are
calculating the
calculating the
smallest.
smallest. We are
First we try this
these
3
3
from
from
this
this
through
through this
Siblu,
through this
Zirat.
Zirat.
We can
We can
go
go
here.
here.
Then
Then through this
T,
T we can
reach here.
reach here.
Okay.
Okay.
And we
And we calculating its cost.
Whichever
Whichever the
cheapest,
cheapest
we are
going
to select that
select
one.
that one.
This is what
This is
our
what
problem.
our problem.
Let's see
Let's see the
a problem,
can be
defined
formally
by
by 4
4
component:
initial state,
actions,
successor
successor function.
Successor
Successor function
is calculating the
the
successive
successive
location.
For
For
this
are
this Z,
S, and T
and T
are the
are the successive.
Then
Then
test
goal test
means
we are
reaching
reach
at
at the goal state or not. That is a goal test.
Initial
State that
the
the agent start in.
For
For example, initial state
for
for our agent in Romania
might
might be described as a in
Arad.
Arad.
This Arad. A
A description of the possible actions available to agent.
The
The most common formulation uses
the
successor functions.
Example
from the state in Arad,
the
the successor function from the Romania problem return go
this
this
S in
in Sibiu.
This
This Sibiu has this location. Okay.
In
In simply we can say
first go to
Sibiu
or
go to this Timisoara
or go
or
to
go to this
Zerzat.
Zerzat.
Okay.
Through
Through
this
we
we can reach
this
Bucharest.
Together
The initial state and
successor
function
implicitly
define the state
space
space
of the
of the problem,
the
the set of all state
reachable
reachable from the initial state.
The
The state
space
space
form
form a
graph
graph
in
in which the node are states
and
and
arc
arc between nodes are the actions.
Next, a
Path
A path
in the state space
is a
sequence of
states
connected by the sequence of action.
Path
Path means
we are
we are here selecting.
Suppose we are
selecting this.
Then this
And this
sequence,
this 140 kilometer after that this 99 kilometer after that this 211 kilometer. This is what the path. Okay.
A goal
test
which
determine whether a given
state
is
a
goal state.
Goal test
is to determine whether
given
state
is goal state or not. Sometimes there is an explicit set of possible goal states. The test simply checks whether the given state is one of them
or not.
Okay.
If
more than
a
number
of ways are there or more than 2 ways are there,
we can
test
simply whether
the given state is one of them or not.
The agent
goal
in
Romania is a
singleton
set in
Bucharest.
Means we have to reach this.
And we are
trying
different
path.
the
step
step
cost of
taking
action A
to
to
go
from
from
step
step
X
X
to
to
stage
stage
Y.
Y.
In our
In
case,
our case,
Arith
Arith
to
to
Y is
Y
what?
is what?
Is
Is
Bucharest.
Bucharest.
Is
Is
denoted by
denoted by
cost
cost
C X
X
A,
comma
Y.
Y.
Sometimes the
Sometimes
goal is
the goal is
specified by
specified
an
by an
abstract
abstract
property
property
rather than
rather
an
than an
explicitly
explicitly
eliminated set
eliminated
of
set of
state.
state.
For
For
example, in
example,
chess,
in chess,
a goal
a
is
goal
to
is
reach
to reach
a
a
state called a
state called a
checkmate.
checkmate.
In
In
chess game, we
chess
have
game, we
goal
have
state.
goal state.
That is,
Ready?
we
We
have to
have
reach
to reach
at a
at a
checkmate
checkmate
state,
state,
where the
where the
opponent
opponent
king
king
is under
is under
attack and
attack
cannot
and cannot
escape.
escape.
Okay.
Okay.
Then
Then
example.
example.
A
A
problem
problem
solving
solving
approach
approach
has been
has been
applied
applied
to a
to a
vast
vast
array
array
of
of a
task
task
environment.
environment.
We can
We can
apply this
apply this
agent to
agent to
various
various
vast
vast
type
type of
of environment.
environment.
We list
We
some of
list
the
some of
best
the
known
best
here,
known here,
distinguishing between
distinguishing
the toy
between the
and
toy
real
and
world
real world
problems.
problems.
A toy
A toy
problem
problem
is
is
intended to
intended to
illustrate
illustrate
or
or
exercise various
exercise various
problem solving
problem solving
methods.
methods.
It can
It
given
can
a
given a
concise
concise
exact
exact
description.
description.
This means
This
that
means
it
that
can
it
be
can be
used
used
easily
easily
by
by
different
different
researchers to
researchers to
compare the
compare the
performance of the
performance of the
algorithms.
algorithms.
A real
A
world
real
problem
world
is
problem
one
is
whose
one whose
solution
solution
people
people
actually
actually
care about.
care about.
Okay, next
Okay, next
example.
example.
8
Eight
puzzle
puzzle
belong to
belong to
family of
family of
a
a
sliding
sliding
block puzzle.
block puzzle.
Or in
Or
simply
in
you can
simply you can
say that
say
8
that eight
puzzle
puzzle
is an
is an
example of
example
this
of this
agent.
Asian.
Next is a
Next is
real
a
world
real world
problem.
problem.
Consider a
Consider a
simplified
simplified
example of an
example of an
airline
airline
travel
travel
problem.
problem.
Specify as
Specify as
follows.
follows.
First,
First,
state.
state.
Each
Each
is
is
represented
represented
by a
by a
location.
location.
For
For
example,
example,
airport
airport
and a
and a
current time.
current time.
Initial
Initial
state.
state.
This is
This is
specified by the
specified by the
problem.
problem.
Then
Then
successor
successor
function.
function.
This
This
return the
return the
state
state
resulting
resulting
from the
from the
taking any
taking any
scheduled
schedule
flight
flight
or have
or have
further
further
specified by a
specified by a
seat
seat
class,
class,
location,
location,
okay, type
okay,
of
type of
that
that
flight,
flight,
then
then
leaving
leaving
later
later
than the
than the
current
current
time
time
plus
plus
within
within
airport
airport transmit
transit
transit
time
time
from the
from the
current
current
airport to
airport to
another.
another.
Then goal
Then goal
state.
state.
Are we
Are
at
we
the
at the
destination
destination
by
by
some
some
pre-specified time?
specified time?
Means we
Means
are
we are
reaching
reaching
that
that
specific
specific
destination.
destination.
This is
This
what
is what
uh, reaching or
reaching
not,
or
that
not,
is
that
goal
is
state
goal state
satisfy or not.
satisfy or not.
Okay,
Okay,
are we
are
at
we
the
at the
destination by
destination
the
at the
some
some
specified
specified
time?
time?
Then
Then
path
path
cost.
cost.
This
This
depends on
depends
the
on the
monetary
monetary
cost,
cost,
also
also
waiting
waiting
time,
time,
flight
flight
time,
time,
customs
customs
and
and
immigration
immigration
procedures,
procedures,
seat
seat
quality,
quality,
then time
then
to
time to
delay,
delay,
or to
or
sorry,
to sorry,
time
time
of day,
of day,
then
then
time of
time of
airplane,
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 then
then
frequent
frequent
flyer,
flyer,
mileage,
mileage,
hours,
hours,
and so
and
on.
so on.
Means
Means
path cost
path
depends
cost
on
depends on
various
various
factors.
factors.
Then
Then
commercial
commercial
travel
travel
advice
advice
system use
system
a
use a
problem
problem
formulation
formulation
of this
of this
kind
kind
with
with
many
many
additional
additional
complications to
complications to
handle a
handle a
Byzantine
Byzantine
fare
fare
structure
structure
that
that
airline
airline
impose.
impose.
Any
Any
season
season
traveler
traveler
knows,
knows,
however,
however,
that
that
not all
not all
air
air
travel
travels
goes
goes
according to
according
the
to
plan.
the plan.
Okay,
Okay,
it
it
has to
has to
consider
consider
various
various
factors, so
factors, so
it
it
can be
can be
on time
on
or
time or
cannot be on
cannot be on
time.
time.
A
A
really
really
good
good
system should
system should
include
include
contingency
contingency
plan
plan
such as
such
a
as a
backup
backup
reservation on an
reservations on an
alternate
alternate
flight
flight
to
to
the
the
extent that
extent that
there
there
are
are
justified by a
justified by a
cost and
cost and
likelihood
likelihood
of a
of a
failure of the
failure of the
original
original
plan.
plan.
Means
Means
it must
it must
has
has
it must
it must
have a
have a
different
different
plan,
plan
or plan
or
A,
plan
plan
A,
B,
plan B,
or
or
we can
we
say
can
we
say we
must have a
must have a
backup
backup
plan.
plan.
This is
This
what
is
real
what
world
real world
example.
example.
To this
To
we are
this we are
stop.
stop.
We are
We
stop
are
here.
stop here.
We will
We
see
will
the
see
next
the
part
next
in
part
next
in the next
lecture.
lecture.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.